going on, guys? So going in another cave day. Gonna do some camping, caving, rafting in the SCCI cave today. Gotta get a permit and all that good stuff. I don't recommend going to these caves if you don't have any experience, so I'm gonna show y'all why here shortly, because I'm gonna be going over some heights, and it's good 100, at least 100-foot drop. And so this is our little camp spot, and we're gonna be pitching a tent and gathering our caving gear and gonna check out this cave. I believe it's over 7 miles long, so we'll see you guys on the cliff side. Alright, so getting into the river stream of the cave. Now tomorrow, Petro's got planned for us to take our rafts and be in the water rafting in this cave. So, but tonight, since it's dark and all that, we're just going to go the dry passage, because we can't really, it's dark and we got a ledge up on the edge of that cliff up there to get up. We started from up top right there, and we come down, and this is a 100-foot drop right here, and one little small mistake and you slip and you gone, or you probably wish you were gone, you know. But we're gonna explore this cave for you guys so you don't have to, because this ain't for everybody. Definitely not. I mean, we're pretty, wouldn't say like expert cavers or nothing, but we're definitely experienced. Wow, look at this cave, bro. Holy smokes. We definitely gotta see more of these caves. Oh man, this is, yeah.
It's a water cave.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, dude. Holy smokes. So here's the wet passage. Pryor just busted his knee a little bit. But man, this cave is sick already. We ain't even been in it yet. Whew. So it's gonna be a long day tomorrow, because I'm not the one to turn around when it looks like it keeps going. Holy cow. So we're gonna go down dry passage.
You going down this passage?
Petro, this is awesome, dude.
Look at that.
This is a cave that Petro has told us about. He's been really wanting us to check it out.
This is
And
my top 3 spots in the world.
yeah, I can
I've been all
see
over the
that.
world. This is amazing right here.
It is.
I love this right here.
It's
This
just
is a little chill spot right there to chill. It's
Yeah.
so simple to launch into this, and it just gets deeper as you go. I'm telling you, the first time we came, Skylar and I, we looked at each other and we were like, oh crap.
Yeah,
Like,
see, I
going
was that.
into the abyss.
Oh, I
And
was
then
that
once we
way
get
up
down
there. Shoot.
We heard something.
Oh, really?
It sounded like kids laughing or something.
Oh, wow, dude.
And we were like, oh no,
Oh, wow, that's scary.
It is a little creepy.
see, I told y'all, huh?
Yeah, this is awesome, dude.
It's even more beautiful during the summer.
Yeah.
Everything's green. Like all this, you can't even see through it. It's just all like there is a tree when we get in there.
Alright, guys. So yeah. We're gonna check this cave out. and do some exploring. Yeah. We ain't gonna get much done tonight. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as I can. It's gonna be hard doing a camping and huge caving trip to make it a short one. So just bear with me and try to put the best parts I can in here. But I mean, this cave here is so far so cool. That's all I can say. There's an upper cave too we found. It looks pretty cool, but multiple passageways over there. That water's just roaring in this cave. Probably a deep pool down there. Wow. This must be the way. This is my first time. Petro's been in this cave several times. It's his favorite cave. And he's been telling us about it and how amazing it is. Yeah, I know. I was thinking the same thing.
I love this cave.
Me too. Wow. What a cave. Pretty cool.
Ooh. Oh, it's a salamander.
Yeah. Must be able to come around to that deep pool. We're making a raft tomorrow. That must be the way to do this cave. It's a super wet cave.
Dude, this is amazing.
This is the coolest cave I've been in.
Me too.
Yeah.
This is like unbelievable.
If you guys want to see a lot more of this, subscribing really helps us out a whole lot. I'm just a single dad working and paying my mortgage, you know. But if you don't, that's cool. Just watching our videos, we appreciate that a lot. So we're gonna keep filming this kind of stuff for you guys. I know.
It's like a hot tub.
What's that? It's called Flowstone. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
All of it.
Alright, crossing the raging river onto the Flowstone. Let's look over here, guys, see what we got. Got a very nice size little pool. Dead crawdad, unfortunately. This is?
Right around here. 200 meter feet land.
Oh, okay.
Look at right there, yeah.
Ryder. This way don't look much better than others, but I'll take his word. There we go. So, we're in this, there's a lot of dead crayfish in here for some reason. I'm just kind of checking this cave out. There's multiple passageway here.
There's another passage right there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Look at that.
Right back. Right
Oh,
over here.
that's what I figured. Wow, dude. Look at that. It's another crawfish.
Look at that
Yeah.
waterfall.
I know, it's just super.
Isn't this room super sick?
Yeah, dude, this whole cave has just been.
That waterfall.
We ain't even
is
hardly got in this
beautiful.
thing.
The crazy thing is,
What is
we're the
that?
only people in the
I don't
world
know. But I'm
using this
wondering-
right now. In
Is
this
it an
spot.
alien? No, it's a root. It's a stick or something. We're the only people in the world. What?
Doing this in this cave right now.
Yeah, just us four. In this epic, so far, most beautiful, magnificent cave I've ever seen. Man, I can't get over how awesome this is. Holy smokes. Oh wow.
This is awesome.
Yeah, this is the coolest cave I've ever been in, so
Me too.
yeah. Get to experience it with my son. Got my son in the caving a couple of years ago, because I used to do it as a kid. And I guess getting in your 30s, kind of reliving your childhood hobbies. And I tried getting him into it, see how he did, and he loved it. He did great. So that's kind of what started our journey into caving. And we've been doing it ever since. So,
Whoa, look, you're climbing up there.
yeah, he's a lot calmer. It's just him. When I get 2 or 3 of the boys, you know, they get super excited in the caves. You know, they're kids, so it's just how kids are. If they weren't excited and acting bored, I'd be concerned.
Think Thomas would climb that up there?
I think Thomas is gonna really love going with us next time we do this type of stuff again.
Here.
I hated bringing it up to him because he likes hanging out with his brothers and stuff. You don't get to see him a whole lot. So I kind of put him in a rock and a hard place, inviting him on this trip. This is God knows what I was saying. It's like walking on the moon or something.
I know, that's exactly what it feels
It does.
like.
It feels like walking on the moon.
Step for mankind.
One step for caver, one step for man.
So right or left?
I have no idea.
That way you have to duck, this way you don't really duck on that.
Oh, this way we go?
Go the same way.
Which way's
Actually,
better?
I've gone this way.
Okay, we're gonna go the smaller way.
I'm always going that way and duck.
Okay. You want to split up and go a different way?
That's what I was thinking.
Don't go that way, we go this way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Gonna start pushing on.
Video of Granny Death season again.
Oh yeah.
You need to give a shout out to Granny Death.
I can't ever remember his YouTube channel.
Well, I guess I already did it by saying that.
Well, that ain't his YouTube though.
Yeah.
Maybe someone that watches these that plays video games would probably love his content, especially Rocket League.
Edited it on the screen.
Yeah. Well, you can give a mention. Starting to learn a lot about this YouTube thing.
Yeah, you probably put it in the description.
Yeah, probably.
There's a cool
Like
space
that, and then
over here on the wall.
But anyway, so this is the SCCI cave. You gotta get a permit to get in here. It takes a while to go through the approval to check you out, make sure you're okay. Yeah. It's not a beginner type thing, no, for sure. That's pretty cool.
started it from the new grade right here.
Yeah,
The face and like the slide.
that's what I was thinking. Nice. Yeah, I'm definitely not wigged out about that little hike anymore because after,
Oh, yeah, see that?
yeah, it wasn't too bad. I just thought it was like a straight bluff you'd roll off of at 100 feet, but it's just it's not that too crazy.
Oh, they got it this made and then it's
Me too. That's what Petro's been saying, but
yeah.
sometimes you don't believe it till you see it, you know?
Yeah.
And videos sometimes don't always do justice.
Thanks, guy. That stick's still here.
What is that, another way or something?
Yeah, it's a crawl.
Oh.
Sounds cool.
We've never gone through it. We've looked in it.
Sounds pretty cool.
Oh man, I forgot my camping dishes. That's alright. Oh well.
Okay, we're gonna keep it.
Go to that gas station and get that Korean barbecue turkey. It ain't too far away. Hey, we got a little climb here.
No, Trump's gone.
Trump's gone.
Yeah.
Nah,
Probably got mad about that.
Yeah,
somebody got triggered.
Trump
What?
was up here.
Nothing, nothing.
Yeah. Here we are. At Bertha.
Big Bertha.
Big Bertha. Big Bertha.
Oh, sorry, Buzz.
Yeah, we had the
Child
Trump
abuse.
lanyard
No, I'm just like,
hanging from up there.
yeah.
I used to put it in like a
That's
hard
like a
spot.
Playboy bunny. I mean, nothing.
That mother right there.
Wow. Mm-hmm. Little slippery, sloppity here. Crazy passageway.
Feels like all the caves are better
Oh, wow,
than
look.
water.
Oh, what's this? G&J.
You can tell where the cave probably used to come up here just 4 years ago. And then all this erosion from flooding
This
water.
has been here for about 5 months. I put this there.
Oh, wow.
Sign it.
We gonna sign our names.
Ryder. Aaron.
Riders.
Yeah, when I brought my wife's been down this tunnel.
Dang, look at this spider. I don't know, one time we saw that spider over there camping, and it looked like it was flying.
Yeah.
It was just like hanging on to its web. Ow.
Now the wet passage, the river passage, you can go down that tube, but you get wet,
That's alright.
like past our boots.
I'll check it out.
But actually, this is pretty much almost as far as we've gone.
In the drop passage?
We not just right yet, because every time we came, the mud right over this thing
Yeah.
is like super thick. It's called this hog wallows.
Can you go
It's,
under here?
It's
Oh, I guess you could get over.
super hard to walk through here, and nobody else wanted to do it.
Oh, cool.
What? Well, you're in luck today, man. Man, this cave is sick.
Okay.
Well, we meet again.
Oh, I guess it could have won.
Fancy meeting y'all out here. Okay, this is as far as we've gone.
Can I step foot further?
Yeah. Keep going. Aaron, lead the way. Ryder.
Just don't step in the middle, Ryder.
Huh?
Remember Indian grave, don't be walking through the middle, walk on the ledge.
Yeah.
Okay, I remember.
I put Rob, music right here, and so I put their name, I just add an S to love. So it says Bogus loves Jesus.
Oh,
You hear that?
very good, Scott.
I hear a waterfall.
Connection deep down inside the underworld.
Hey, is there a waterfall in this cave?
I have no idea.
Sound like I hear one roaring up
Probably
ahead.
just the river. It's we're walking parallel to it.
Oh, okay. Come over here where I'm at and be careful.
Pushing the limits.
See this right here? You alright?
That right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there.
Oh man, got my dude filled with water.
You okay?
Yeah, which makes it harder to
Yeah.
wait.
See what I'm doing? There's cracks in this wall. It's like a rock climber. Yeah, dude. You don't want to drop in there either. Because you're going to get muddy and wet.
You got that, Ryder?
Hang on for dear life.
Me too.
It looks cool.
He's very fun.
I know, right? One time I had to jump over and start ledging the other side.
Serious?
Dead serious, bro. Oh shoot, I'm in the mud. Oh my god. I hear water roaring up ahead.
Yeah, you're water.
Yeah. Well, actually it ain't too bad right here on this edge, right, Ryder, when you come down.
What?
There's a rock. I'm standing on a rock under the mud right here.
A rock under the mud?
Yeah, I wish I had gloves. Oh, there's water. Duh. I wish I had gloves. But here, wear mine. Yo, it's okay. Just stay on the ledge there, like we were. You're alright.
Carry all this. Oh, cool, it's water.
Yeah, and then see right here? Come and then hop over. When we hop right here where the silt stirred up.
Up right there?
Yeah, you need my hand? There you go. See, it's rock. It's rock right there. So that's, I guess that's why there's like a little passage coming down. I just want to, oh man, he ain't lying. It does get deep. Damn. Okay, I see why.
So, what do we do?
I don't know. I'm gonna keep going a little ways.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Got water running.
Okay, yeah. Okay, as far as I can go. Alright, yeah, he ain't lying. Okay. From here on, it's wetsuit. And I don't have a wetsuit.
What's that?
That's a shoe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't turn back.
Yeah, I can't keep on going. Dang it. Oh, if we had the rafts tomorrow, we just put them in right
Oh,
there.
yeah. For sure.
Yeah. Man, okay. This worked out perfect, actually. Alright.
Because this actually meets up.
Tomorrow will be the
It
big
meets
cave
up all the way
adventure.
down on the other side of the river. I did the same.
Just
But I'm
steps
actually
off.
doing good right here, just walking
so-
along the edge.
So if I wasn't on that rock, your whole leg's going in. And that's why we're ledging this edge like he's trying to do, but it's okay, Buzz. I give you an A for effort. It ain't gonna work. It ain't worked for me either. Oh man, my foot's soaking wet now. We're gonna have to have a good old campfire and dry these socks. Good luck, son. Hope you don't.
Solo up a Bertha.
Alright, we'll check it out and see what happens. Does that one keep going up top too?
I don't know. You've never been in?
Hey, remember that shovel I had?
Uh-huh.
I think I left it in that cave.
Oh no.
I know, man. It's a rescue mission for a later day, I guess. I'll go back in there eventually and get it. Maybe after work or something, you know, when everybody's asleep. It was kind of sketchy. I mean, there wasn't any trespass signs, but I just wasn't comfortable with what we had to do to go there. It's back when you're a kid, you know, ain't so many people, things are a lot different then. So we're squeezing in a tight passage in here. We're just...
Getting this on GoPro.
Yeah. It's gonna be super muddy when we get home. I bet Shadow's gonna freak out when we finally get back to her.
Yeah.
She's probably thinking of abandoning her.
Oh, we're definitely gonna feel this tomorrow.
Huh? Tomorrow we only have to walk. We'll just be rafting. So it'll just be like a free cave tour. Without
See their light below you?
Keep going.
No, I don't. Does he see our light?
Yeah.
I don't see his either.
Go back.
No, I'm gonna keep going for a little bit.
Okay.
There is water now.
There is.
Yeah,
It's cool.
but it's not light. Ow. There's a crawdad in here too. Alright, checking out some whole side passage. There's another passageway.
There is?
Yeah. I can hear you pretty good. I can see your light. I can see your light. Oh, wow, dude.
Oh, I'm just a bug dog.
You are. You dropped. That's cool. Hey, I found Skylar.
I know, I hear him.
It drops down. We split up. There's leaves or no, it ain't leaves. Or is it leaves? It looks like it. Looks like there's leaves in this passage. Wow.
Is it muddy? So this might be another way around.
I know, that's what I'm wondering.
This is also a path that goes all the way back out.
Should we keep going?
I don't know, should we?
I think so.
Yeah, tell your dad. Tell him it gets big.
Where's the path better?
Dude.
Probably the way you can be the better way. Alright, go ahead. So we come through here, that crawlway, and we're taking this way back because us and Skylar split up, see if they went the same way, and they do. So we're gonna see what this way is. Can you get up there, Bubs? Can you make it?
Is down here leads there?
Nah.
It does.
Oh, okay. If it does, then go ahead.
Okay, it's just really tight.
Well, you're really small, so.
Yeah.
There he goes.
Oh, man, it's gonna-
Don't get on your shoulder. There you go. Turn, lay down, and waddle over. Don't do that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, you made it.
I made it.
Oh, there you are.
Pretty cool, ain't it?
Yeah.
You're pretty good at that. Throwing things on tight spaces.
Yeah. I like to go back down here. Shit. Shoot. Can you get over?
Yeah.
Put your foot over there on that thing right there. There you go. Yeah, it's not that scary coming down now, though. What I thought.
I
It
feel like
just.
that was gonna be really scary. Ended up being really fun. And I love caving.
Me too. Like makes you feel like a kid again. Remember, this drops from above.
What?
This drops down from above, not below.
Oh no.
Oh no, what is it?
Didn't go left.
Hey y'all.
Over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I wonder if you kept going straight where that goes. I have so many questions.
I know.
I mean, look at that. That looks awesome.
We're free.
Okay, you want to stay as much below as possible
Huh?
when you're walking out.
Birthday just gave birth.
Gave birth to a couple of weirdos. This cave is too cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna go back in, but that was a pretty scary climb out in the dark. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow to finish the caving, charge up our batteries tonight. But I got our tent set up. I have to pull it out a little bit, straighten her up. Truck's that way, but got a door facing out towards the woods. Got some trails towards there, but yeah, we're gonna camp it out, and then tomorrow do the main event. We're gonna need a boat in this one because it's just got river and water all in it, and you can't really navigate it without having some kind of inflatable device. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned.